Hello students, today we discuss about birds and we are doing fill in the blanks with the help of the word bank. So look at the word bank at first. First is birds and then is migration, feathers, quill, direction, flightless, waterproof and tail feathers. And look at the fill in the blanks number 1. Dash is when animals move from one place to another. Those animals who are moved from one place to another, it is called migration. So we write here migration. Yes, so write here migration. And then number 2, some birds do not fly. These are called dash birds. Some birds do not fly. These are called flightless bird. So write here flightless. And then number 3, in the winter some dash fly to warmer place to find food. Again I repeat it, in the winter some dash fly to warmer place to find food. So in winter some birds, yes, some birds fly to warmer place to find food. So write here birds. Next, number 4, feathers of a birds are dash. Feathers of the birds, you know feathers, and the feathers of a birds are, yes, right, waterproof. So write here waterproof. Number 5, dash feathers of birds are important as they help birds to fly. Again I repeat, number 5, feathers of bird, dash feathers of birds are important as they help birds to fly. So yes, correct, tail feather. Tail feathers of birds are important as they help the birds to fly. So we write here tail feathers. Tail and here is feathers. Tail feathers of birds are important as they help birds to fly. Next, number 6. Earlier people use dash to make pens. In olden time, people use dash to make pens. People use feathers. So we write here feathers. To make pens, these were called yes, quill feathers. So these are called quill pens. So we write here quill. And next, number 7. By twisting its tail, a bird can change. By twisting its tails, a bird can change its direction mid-flight. Okay, yes, so write here direction. Okay, how do I